For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars, wondering if we're the only form of life in the vastness of space. But what if the answers have been quietly unfolding before us this whole time? From signals that seem too precise to be random to traces of hidden life in asteroids and alien oceans, scientists are uncovering evidence that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. The mystery of Martian microbes. In 1996, NASA made headlines with the discovery that hinted at the possibility of ancient Martian life. A meteorite named Allen Hills 84001. It was believed to have been originated from Mars. It was originally found in Antarctica. Now, when scientists examined this rock, they uncovered tiny, worm-like structures resembling fossilized bacteria. These microscopic formations, along with chemical traces like magnetite crystals and carbonate globules, often linked to biology activity on Earth, here where life is thriving. This, of course, sparked global intrigue. Though scientists debated whether these signs were biological or purely chemical, the discovery alone reignited interest in Mars, and inspired a wave of missions like NASA's Perseverance rover, which is now exploring the Martian surface for biosignatures. While ALH 84001 didn't prove definitive proof of life just yet, it did set the stage for the ongoing quest to answer whether Mars was once alive or, even more importantly, could be again. Titan's otherworldly oceans. Saturn's moon Titan is a place of alien beauty and scientific fascination. Thanks to the Cassini spacecraft, we know that Titan boasts vast lakes and seas not of water but of liquid methane and ethane. Its thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere and dynamic weather systems eerily mimic Earth's hydrological cycle. But what really excites scientists here are the complex organic molecules that Cassini found in its atmosphere. These are building blocks that could hint at exotic forms of life. Even more compelling is the theory that Titan harbors a hidden ocean of liquid water beneath its icy crust, warmed by the moon's internal heat. Now, this opens the possibility of life existing in two drastically different environments on the same celestial body. How exciting is that? NASA's upcoming Dragonfly mission, which is set to launch in 2027, it's going to explore Titan's surface and study its atmospheric chemistry, which would bring us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this methane-rich world. Venus and the phosphine Enigma. Venus might seem like the last place to search for life in our universe, but with its scorching heat and acidic atmosphere, it doesn't sound like an ideal place to live. But in 2020, astronomers detected something quite extraordinary: phosphine gas. Found high in Venus's cooler cloud layers, this gas is associated with biological processes on Earth, sparking speculation that microbial life could exist in Venus's atmosphere. Now we got two planets with life. What's going on here? While skeptics point to potential non-biological explanations, such as volcanic activity, the discovery alone has rekindled interest in the second planet from the Sun. NASA and ESA are planning missions, including Veritas and Envision, to study Venus's geology and atmosphere. Now, whether the phosphine here is a clue to alien microbes or just a chemical mystery, Venus is now back in the spotlight as a candidate for extraterrestrial life. The WOW signals cosmic puzzle. In 1977, astronomers scanning the skies for alien signals stumbled upon something quite extraordinary. The Big Ear radio telescope detected a powerful 72-second burst of radio waves from the constellation Sagittarius. Yeah, all the way out there, we heard something. Now, the signal was so striking that astronomer Jerry Eman actually wrote down "wow" on the data printout, of course giving its famous name. Now, unlike anything naturally occurring, the signal's intensity and frequency suggested a deliberate source. Yet, despite decades of searching, no similar signal has been detected again. It was a one-off. So could it have been a message from an intelligent civilization far out there in the cosmos, or just a cosmic coincidence? The WOW signal remains one of the greatest mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial life, driving ongoing efforts to listen for whispers from the stars, because, well, apparently they're talking out there. James Webb's Europa revelation. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its focus to Europa, one of Jupiter's icy moons, and it found something groundbreaking: carbon dioxide on its surface. Now, this carbon likely originated from Europa's subsurface ocean, strengthening the case that this is a hidden ocean that could support life. Now, Europa's vast ocean is thought to be in contact with a rocky seafloor, potentially mimicking Earth's hydrothermal vents, which is somehow thriving with life despite harsh conditions. Now, this upcoming Europa Clipper mission will explore the moon's icy shell and search for plumes of water vapor, aiming to uncover more about its habitat, and if we could live there one day. Webb's discovery is a tantalizing hint that Europa might harbor one of the greatest scientific discoveries of all time in extraterrestrial life. We're close, we're almost there. Saturn's moon Enceladus is a frozen world with a surprising secret. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast salty ocean. This is the theme we're we're seeing here on this list a lot. The Cassini spacecraft discovered this in 2005 when it observed water vapor and ice particles erupting from geysers at Enceladus' south pole. Now these plumes contained organic compounds, salts, and molecular hydrogen, key ingredients all for life for us. So scientists believe that the moon's ocean is heated by hydrothermal vents at the seafloor, which in turn would create conditions similar to those on Earth's ocean floors, where life thrives in the absence of sunlight. All those scary fish in the dark, they don't need anything down there. Cassini's findings make Enceladus a prime target for future exploration, as its geysers allow for sampling of the ocean without drilling through miles of ice first. This helps a lot. This seems more possible to discover. So upcoming missions aim to investigate these plumes in greater detail, keeping Enceladus at the forefront of the search for life. Proxima Centauri b and its habitable zone. Proxima Centauri b, an exoplanet orbiting the star closest to our solar system, made waves in 2016 when it was discovered within the habitable zone of the region where liquid water could exist on its surface. Located just 4.2 light years away, just a quick cosmic commute, this Earth-sized planet has now become one of the most exciting targets in the hunt for alien life. While its parent star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf known for violent solar flares, some researchers speculate that Proxima b's potential atmospheric or magnetic field could protect it, allowing for the possibility of liquid water and even microbial life to thrive. Planned telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope, the ELT, this will help scientists study its atmosphere for biosignatures, which brings us closer to understanding if this nearby world could be a second Earth. It's giving interstellar vibes. Hope they have corn up there. It's gonna be great. The mysterious signals of FRB. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, they are these powerful millisecond-long bursts of radio waves from deep space, somewhere out there, way beyond. And in 2012, astronomers detected one that stood out very clearly. FRB 1121102. Unlike other FRBs, this one repeated itself, sending multiple signals from a single distant galaxy 3 billion light years away. That's going to be a long text message. It's going to take a while to come through. While many FRBs have natural explanations like neutron stars or magnetars, the repeating nature of this FRB has led some scientists to ponder if it could be artificial, perhaps a beacon or signal from an advanced civilization of sorts. Instruments like the Chime Radio Telescope are now monitoring FRBs closely, hoping to unravel their mysterious origins, again, way beyond. Whether natural or extraterrestrial, these bursts do provide a fascinating glimpse into the vast and unexplored cosmos. Murph, is that you? Who is that? The Laurer Burst. In 2007, a team of astronomers led by Dr. Duncan Lorimer detected an unusual high-energy burst of radio waves from a galaxy 3 billion light years away. That's further than we can even comprehend, and it was known as the Laurer Burst. This fast radio burst, or FRB, like I mentioned earlier, was the first of its kind to ever be discovered. This was a game changer. The signal was unlike any other cosmic event up until that point. It was much more powerful than typical radio waves that we would get from stars, and scientists could not explain its origin, and we still can't. The burst lasted only a few milliseconds, but its intensity, of course, led to wild speculations, including theories that it could be the result of a collapsing neutron star, or even, you guessed it, extraterrestrial activity. Yeah, we got aliens up there sending some SOSs. Despite ongoing research, no one has been able to pinpoint its exact cause just yet, keeping the mystery ongoing.